no tomorrow. We can own the night. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing.
When I came here with my friends, the savages on this island do unspeakable things.
It is brave to swim a storm, but to sunbathe on a beach with pirates?
You gotta help us out. This is the only way out of here.
Fucking shut up! They're dead already. Let's move. Fuck we are. We're not leaving them. We need them. That's an order. Fuck you!
The Pacific Central Command is gone. If there's anything left of our fleet, they're out there blind as bats.
I don't think we've seen the worst yet. We need everyone alive in combat.
We gotta get off this bridge. It's too dangerous.
We are not gonna leave you behind. No one gets left behind.
Laufender 221. Downtown
Keine Bewegung
frei.
jetzt! Keine Bewegung! Polizei!
Frei. Schusswechsel. Verdachtsperson wurde eliminiert. Alle Einheiten, Achtung. Unterstützung erforderlich. Alle Einheiten, den Officer hat's erwischt.
Polizei! Sofort die Hände über den Kopf!
Einheit am Boden!
Los, sofort auf den Boden!
Du kennst doch diese kriminellen Psychopathen, oder?
Ungewöhnliches Verhalten melden. Häuser verbarrikadieren. Jeglichen Kontakt mit Infizierten vermeiden. Auf offizielle Anweisungen warten. Warten.
Alle Zombie-Hurensöhne killen. Das ist meine Anweisung, Baby.
Das war mal eine echt schöne Gegend.
Was war das?
A few weeks ago, I was happily sulking by my swimming pool. What do you want?
Just came by to see if there's something I can help you with.
I'm retired. My psychotic best friend shows up out of nowhere.
Nobody tells me what I want!
To torture me over mistakes I made over a decade ago. You're back in the game? I guess.
Yes! Woo! Welcome back, man!
We're all professionals, we all know the score.
This is legit business. 401ks, tax returns, and all.
We're gonna move quick, and we're gonna keep cool.
My job, my score, get your own!
You are alone, you pathetic psychopath!
Suppose a group hug's out of the question?
Let's go to a place where everything is made of blocks. Where the only limit is your imagination. Let's go wherever you want to go. Climb the tallest mountains. Venture down to the darkest caves. Build anything you want. Day or night, rain or shine. Because this is the most significant sandbox you'll ever set foot in. Build a majestic castle with no rules to follow. This adventure, it's up to you.